Hey guys, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you. In today's video, I got hands on Redmi Note 4G and Redmi Note 3G. Xiaomi launched Redmi Note 4G and Redmi Note in India at a starting price of rupees 999 for Redmi Note 4G, and it is specifically made for India. And Redmi Note cost rupees 8999. Both the smartphone features almost nearly same configuration. On the front, it features 5 megapixel camera, earphone, and capacitive button below the display. A 5.5-inch IPS display with a resolution 1280 by 720 pixels. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Uh, Redmi Note 4G on the left hand side has a power button and volume rocker button, while the normal Redmi Note or Redmi Note 3G features power button and volume rocker button on the right hand side. On the left hand side on Redmi Note 4G there are no physical buttons, and similarly there are no physical buttons available on the normal Redmi Note. At the bottom of the Redmi Note, it features microphone and micro USB card, micro USB slot for data transfer and data charging. And similarly, the Redmi Note 4G features microphone and micro USB slot for data transfer and charging. At the top of the Redmi Note 4G, it features another microphone and 3.5 mm audio jack. On the top of the normal Redmi Note or Redmi Note 3G, it features 3.5 mm audio jack and microphone. At the back of the both the smartphone, it has 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, speaker, and MI banding. Removing the back panel reveals the battery, micro SIM card slot, and micro SD card slot. The Redmi Note 4G features 3100 mAh battery. It is a single SIM variant, and the memory can be expanded further by using micro SD card. On normal Redmi Note or Redmi Note 3G, it is a dual SIM variant with dual standby. It packs 3100 mAh battery and has micro SD card slot for expandable memory. The Redmi Note 4G is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor, while the Redmi Note 3G is powered by MediaTek processor 6592. Both the smartphone has 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB inbuilt memory, and while the Redmi Note Red, while the Redmi Note 3G runs on Android 4.3 Jelly Bean with MIUI 5 on top of it, while the Redmi Note 4G runs on Android KitKat with MIUI version 5 on top of it. And both the smartphone looks pretty good and only differ in few specifications, like the Redmi Note 4G is a single SIM variant, while the Redmi Note 3G or normal Redmi Note has is a dual SIM variant. And the Redmi Note 4G features supports dual band FDD and TDD, and the processor runs on Redmi Note 4G is of Qualcomm chipset, while the on the Redmi Note 3G or normal Redmi Note it is of MediaTek. The the processor on Redmi Note 4G is paired with Adreno 305 GPU, while the graphics processor paired with Redmi Note 3G or normal Redmi Note is of Mali 450 MPU. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.